Today, we're learning how to export your finished video from Kinemaster. Once your editing is done and you're happy with the final result, tap the Export/Share button at the top right of the screen. Here, you can choose your video format. H.264 is the standard compatible with almost everything. H.265 compresses your video more efficiently, so the file is smaller without losing quality. You can also export as a GIF if you want a short animated clip. Next, select the resolution. For social media, 720p is usually enough, but for full HD videos, choose 1080p. Some devices allow even higher resolutions if needed. Set the frame rate according to your video style. 24 frames per second gives a cinematic feel, 30 frames per second is standard, and 60 frames per second is great for super smooth motion, perfect for action or gameplay videos. Then adjust the bitrate or quality. Higher bitrate means better quality but larger file size, while lower bitrate keeps the file small but reduces clarity. Finally, tap Save as Video, and Kinemaster will render your project into a video file. Once the export is finished, your video is ready to share or upload wherever you like. And that's it. You've successfully exported a video from Kinemaster with the best settings for your project. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Kinemaster editing tips.